Wow, here you go.
Of course.
Sumigaw mga Brenda!
Ay, wala.
Wala.
Of course, the relative of Manet from her Arida.
Ayan. Sumigaw! Sigaw! Now we need some energy for tonight.
And of course, all the amazing friends of Manet. Welcome to.
Ayan.
So, we're going to see our program. We got the book rolling. Okay. We want to welcome the family members. So, first of all, we would like to call on Mr. Mario Hugo.
Yes.
Here is, wow, let's give you a round of applause.
So our next special guest host of this evening to our celebrant. A father is a guide and a protector and one of the very first hero in her life. Please welcome a big round of applause, the proud father of our celebrant, Mr. Mario! Para tayo dahil. You put it.
Of course, he is my eldest brother and very handsome. You still handsome? Okay, then go on. That's where the root of Abrigo. The root of Abrigo, the eldest one. Okay. Just take relax. Okay. So,
May tanong po kay Tita Maria. Tita Maria, gusto niyo bang i-welcome inyong mga bisita o kaibigan na nandito? Welcome niyo po muna sila.
welcome mo sila.
May minuto sa inyo lahat. Nag-enjoy po tayo.
So, sa dito.
Sobrang mahihayin talaga si Tita Maria.
Not a few words.
Go ahead, let's proceed.
Okay, ready? Okay. We have the Father. So, ang next natin i-introduce is syempre yung blessings to ng ni Manel. And I think yung one of the greatest blessings na meron siya. This made her life more meaningful and
Pressure of her
yes,
life.
and with purpose.
Pressure.
I would like to introduce the daughters. Wala yung firstborn niya kasi twice na cancel yung flight. So si AC was looking over the firstborn. Joy wasn't able to come. But I would like to introduce, of course, the second child, the second born, Angel Hope. Together with Eric.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you. Every wonderful person has someone who walks beside them through our lives journey. A partner who shares dreams and laughters and challenges. Tonight, it is an honor to introduce you a man who stood beside our celebrant and love and support. Please welcome Mr. Raymond Del Valle! Together with our host. Ayan, Mr. Sir Raymond, ayan. Rapid ko lang minuto. Short welcome lang sa ating mga bisita. Go ahead.
Hello, Maite.
Pero maraming salamat po sa lahat ng dumating. Enjoy lang po sa birthday ng aking asawa.
Thank you so much, Kuya Raymond. Grabe. Ayan, short welcome message coming from the husband. Go ahead, let's proceed po, Tita Rem.
Okay.
Also, Eric, nasa tayo naman. The most exciting, yes. The most exciting part, Eric. Eto na. We are going to introduce our celebrator. Yes?
Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the moment that we've been waiting for. So I'm going to invite you to stand up. Lahat po tayo, tayo po tayo. So once again, tayo po tayo. At pagpunas po ang aking celebrant. Gusto ko makainin ng pinakamalakas na palakpak. You know? So this is celebrations of 50s that we have to share with them. Yung pinakamalakas na palakpak, I would like to ask you to them. So once again, tonight we celebrate 50 amazing years of life filled with love, memories, and beautiful moments. Let us all raise our energy and give a warmest welcome. And as we present the star of the evening, please welcome our really good celebrant.
The Golden Girl. Yes, but before I call on Manel, I just want to say something, a short description about Manel. So, who is Manel? Manel is the daughter of Mario Abrigo and Rita Abrigo. Yes, of course, we know everybody that Atilina is just passed away. So, I'm so sure that this moment, she's watching over there, we're very happy. And, of course, Manel is the third among their children. She arrived here in Italy when she was in early age. She studied here and she became a mom with two daughters. Of course, they presented it already. And of course, he is also married to a very handsome man, Raymond. And I just can say that knowing Manel, she has a very strong determination, very supportive, a talented, a very artistic one, but most of all, she's a very great giver. And I don't know if everybody knows already, and the dream comes true. I don't have to mention it anymore, but all the dreams the big dreams that they want to have in their life really comes true. So, ladies and gentlemen,
Signore e signori, diamo un applauso!
let's go on.
Yes.
Manel Abrigo!
Manel, don't cry, masisira ang makeup mo.
Oo, bawal. Diba sila?
Ah, wait, we forgot the baby of the house.
Ayaw ko na. We forgot the baby. Tumakas. Sila na nakalabas. Tumakas ang baby. Kasunod ko dapat sila. Kasi hindi natin tinawag nagdang.
One of the members of the family of the Manel, she belong also to their family.
Okay.
Yeah, of course. A special one. Nakagawin siya, nakagawin
Niente, sono felicissima stasera, questo pomeriggio, vi vedo tutti, siete tutti miei cari persone, proprio sono contenta perché sono riuscita a invitarvi tutti qua oggi perché per me è molto importante. Niente, vi do il mio benvenuto e divertiamoci, anche se cerchiamo di divertirci e provo a farmi divertire.
Okay. You have to enjoy. This is your day, brother. Oh, brother.
How about it's 50-50?
Still young.
And Steve Harvey.
Okay. You can sit there, Manel, so that you can
Ayan.
be comfortable.
Yeah, but before that, Tita Tess and Tita Rem, there is a message coming from the father and also from the husband. Sige po, go ahead, ikaw.
Okay. Ngayon pala mag-message na kayo ay balik na
Sige po, makakaupo na po ang lahat sila Tita Tess and Isabel.
Marinel, happy birthday. I hope that you enjoy today as an normal day for you. That's all.
Nagpapahanap pa naman ako ng tissue, bigla akong pinutol. Grabe ka.
Go ahead, Kuya Raymond, it's your turn.
I love you. Happy birthday.
Alright, sama na naman dyan. Kuya Artis and also. Ayan, let's proceed. Ate, we're going to take pictures, right? Tama po ba? Picture taking all together. Maybe siguro per table we can do that. Pila po ba tayo? Sige po.
Okay. You can take your seat, Manel. We can start for the cake. Okay. Okay, Joy. Angel, Raymond, and Kuya Mari, you can
Yes, of course, the family muna. Tuloy mo
You gotta
muna.
stay here daw. You gotta stay here. Hindi ba?
Picture taking muna daw kayo. Ayan. Sige po, family lang daw po muna. Family yan. Go ahead. Siya, ayan.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Waki.
So, ayan, next.
Okay, so we came to part dun sa ating candles. So, ano bang ibig sabihin why do we blow? O sige, picture tape na muna tayo. O sige, bago na tayo mag-officially start the program, Manel, you can go by the table para makapag-picture taking. Every table.
Please start soft music while Manel is
Doon naman ako. O sige, syempre ako muna. Para hindi magulo. Mali. Nagkamali, dito mali. Kayo na lang yung pumunta dito. Binili ko kasi
We're going to go per table, this table. Okay, kayo po muna po. Going to take pictures. Ayan. Sige po. And then the next, pwede na po rin sila maghanda. Ayan,
Ang
so,
next table kayo. I-alternate natin.
at habang nag-picture taking tayo dito, we can also prepare our participants of our candles. Pakihin na rin po. Maraming salamat sa ating mga coordinators. Show your best smile.
1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Waki. 1, 2, 3.
Ayan, thank you.
Ganito ang king
Next is table, pwede na rin po kayo mag-ready. Sorry po, sorry.
Dito. Yes, for picture taking. See, Aki Boy. See. Gabi sir, Randolph, Marvin, Alex, hindi pa picture taking. Di ba yung kita?
This is the next generation ng mga abrigo.
First dito Mano. Oo, asa si Mano. Ayaw daw na abrigo para inchi.
Sige.
Okay, ayan ang mga future generations ng abrigo.
Ayan, show your best smile. Say cheese. Sige po.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.